I am a frontline worker. I don't have a corner office. I have corners to clean, machines to check, and guests to greet.
People depending on me to show up, rain, shine, or double shift. They call me the boots on the ground. Yeah, steel-toed, slip-resistant, and ready before most alarms go off.
I don't circle back. I close loops. I don't send follow-ups. I follow through.
My desk moves. It's a control room, a hangar floor, a tarmac, and a loading bay. My inbox is in my hand.
I am a frontline worker. When something breaks, I fix it. When plans change, I adapt. When systems fail, I am the system.
I know the hum of a generator, the drip in a leak, and the silence that means everything's running right.
But that doesn't mean I don't need technology. I need tools built for me, not adapted from someone else's spreadsheet. Tools that move as fast as I do, that work where I work, that make my job safer, smarter, and seen.
I don't ask for applause. I ask for support. Not, thank you for serving me. Just systems that help me serve better.
I am skilled. I am resilient. I am essential. I'm not behind the times. I'm the reason things stay on time. I am the heartbeat of every facility.
I'm not a number on a payroll. I'm a professional. I'm a problem solver. I am a frontline worker.
We are frontline workers, and we rely on Command Center from Zendelity. Learn more at www.getcommandcenter.com.